In this video, you're going to learn how to create certificates with Lifter LMS. So another way to make your course more desirable or engaging is to deliver a certificate, which usually comes at the end but doesn't have to, of a specific course or a group of courses, which we would call a course track or degree program. So how do we create certificates? Certificates are an option in the engagement system. So you go to certificate, you click add certificate, you give it a title. In this case, I'm calling it the Health and Fitness Course Completion Certificate. And then we're going to give it some content. So you can see that I've quickly just added just a little bit of information. This certificate is presented to student name for successfully completing the course, my health and fitness course. And then I'm also merging in the completion date for this certificate. And I've also just put the logo in the bottom left-hand corner. You can make certificates really fancy. You can spend a lot of time really adding images and graphics and signatures and things to make them look really polished. There's just a few settings down here. You give your certificate a title, like Certificate of Completion, and then you give it a background image. This is the default background image, but you can get your own, and there's also several background images for certificates available as part of the Lifter LMS Pro graphics pack. So down here you can see those merge fields we were using where we were awarding the certificate to the first name, last name, and stamping the certificate with the current date that it is earned, which displays the date it's earned, not just any day it's viewed. So I'm just going to change the background image to this one. And you can see I have one lesson left in this course, and I'm going to mark this as complete. And you can see I'm at 100%. And now when I go to my courses, I can see my health and fitness certificate is available.